Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi RS6 in your favorite driving game. First, focus on accumulating enough in-game currency. You can do this by completing various missions, winning races, and participating in daily challenges. Once you have a substantial amount, typically around $150,000 to $200,000, you are ready for the next step. Always keep an eye on your current balance. Now that you have the funds, head over to the main car dealership in the game. Look for the luxury or sports car section, as the Audi RS6 is usually categorized there. Once you locate it, ensure you have the required amount of currency. Confirm your purchase, and the car will be added to your garage. It's an exciting moment to finally own this powerful vehicle. After acquiring your Audi RS6, the real fun begins with customization. Drive to your garage or the nearest customization shop. Here, you can apply various performance upgrades such as engine tuning, suspension adjustments, and brake enhancements to boost its capabilities. Don't forget to personalize its look with a fresh paint job, new rims, and perhaps a stylish body kit. Make it truly yours. With your customized Audi RS6, it's time to hit the roads and master its incredible power. Practice driving in different conditions to get a feel for its handling and acceleration. Take it to high-speed races and challenges to truly experience its full potential. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including a special offer on socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your new ride and dominate the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.